Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your continue watching section isn't updating, it's usually caused by sync delays, profile issues, playback glitches, or app bags. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix continue watching not updating on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing you have to know that progress only saves when content is played long enough. Sync may take a few seconds across devices, and profiles track progress separately. So most issues means or equal sync delay or wrong profile, okay? So make sure you watched enough, like watch at least 2 to 5 minutes of the video. Very short playback may not register, okay? Exit property, like pause the video, exit normally, don't force close immediately. It allows Prime Video to save your progress. Check you are on the right profile, okay? So open Prime Video, verify your profile. Continue watching is profile specific, okay? You can also refresh the app, like close Prime Video, reopen it. It forces progress sync, okay? You can also restart your device, like restart your TV, phone, or computer. It fixes temporary tracking issues, okay? Check internet connection too, like ensure stable connection while watching, because poor connection may prevent progress syncing, okay? You can also update the application, like come to App Store, tap or type Prime Video, and update the application if the update is available, okay? So it fixes bugs affecting continue watching, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.